Biogas Cylinder Filling Machines, how low-pressure storage is replacing LPG worldwide. Every year, according to the World Health Organization, more than 3.2 million people, most of them women and children, die from the effects of dirty cooking. It's a crisis hiding in plain sight, tucked inside homes across the developing world, where open fires and burning biomass release toxic smoke with every meal prepared. But one American company believes it has the answer. Cenergy Solutions, based in the United States, has developed a patented low-cost, low-pressure, biogas cylinder filling machine to fuel a biogas cooking system designed to replace those deadly fires with something far cleaner, biogas, produced from organic waste. Their technology doesn't just remove the smoke from homes. It also eliminates the hours many families spend each day gathering wood or other biomass just to prepare a meal. The need for solutions like this has never been more urgent. Around the world, fuel supplies are under severe strain. Gas stations have run dry. LPG, the liquefied petroleum gas that millions rely on for cooking, is increasingly scarce. Countries are rationing electricity, and communities are reverting to cutting down trees simply to survive. The root cause, analysts say, is a decades-long dependency on fossil fuels, resources that are finite, unevenly distributed, and increasingly expensive. Cenergy Solutions argues the solution to this crisis isn't somewhere over the horizon. It's already in communities' backyards, farms, and landfills, in the organic waste that most of the world simply throws away. Their technology captures that waste and converts it into biogas, which is then cleaned, stored, and distributed to homes and businesses using their patented low-pressure biogas cylinder compression machines. The company says the process is scalable, sustainable, and, crucially, locally controlled. At the heart of their approach is what Cenergy calls ABG technology, adsorbent biogas systems. Unlike traditional compressed natural gas, which requires storage at extremely high pressures, ABG systems store biogas in their special cylinders at much lower pressures, between 90 and 1000 psi. That lower pressure distinction matters enormously in practice. Lower pressure means less expensive equipment, cheaper cylinders, valves, fittings, and compressors, and significantly reduced energy costs during the compression process itself. It's a difference, the company says, that makes biogas economically viable for communities that could never afford conventional high-pressure gas infrastructure. The science behind the system relies on adsorbents, materials made up of particles as small as 5 microns, roughly the size of a bacterium. Each particle is capable of holding up to 3 to 4 million methane molecules, effectively increasing the energy density of the stored gas without the need for extreme pressure. Keeping those microscopic particles contained inside a cylinder presented a challenge that had long stumped other researchers. Cenergy Solutions says it overcame that hurdle with a proprietary patented filter capable of filtering down to 5 microns within the tank itself. A breakthrough that has since earned the company patents in 46 countries, including the United States. The underlying concept of adsorbent biogas storage isn't new, it's been explored for over 35 years by research institutions and major corporations around the world. But despite that interest, it was never successfully commercialized at scale. The technical complexities, experts noted, were simply too great. Cenergy Solutions says it made a key breakthrough that cracked those complexities open. The company is now in active commercialization of the technology across multiple sectors, including vehicle fuel systems, cooking and heating, generator operation, and biogas transportation and capture. What sets Cenergy's vision apart, observers say, is the emphasis on energy independence. Rather than relying on large energy companies or distant governments to supply fuel, the system allows individual communities, even individual households, to produce and store their own clean energy from locally available organic waste. Animal waste, food scraps, human waste, landfill gases, all of it can be transformed into a renewable fuel supply. For communities where energy poverty has long been a reality, the implications could be profound. The company is now extending an invitation to governments, communities, businesses, and investors to explore what it describes as an energy revolution already underway and made possible by its low-pressure biogas cylinder filling machines. More information is available at www.cenergysolutions.com. Cenergy Solutions. Turning waste into energy. Turning dependency into independence.